Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my YouTube subscribers and my viewer. God bless you. In my previous video, I talked about how to minimize your cash inflow by living in some cheap city in Ontario. So in this video, I also want to talk about how you can minimize your cash outflow or your expense by buying a quality used car in Canada.
Buying a used car in Canada can save you thousands of dollars, but it's important to follow the right steps to make a smart purchase. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know. The average loan car monthly payment now in Canada is around $300, $500, let's say $400 a month, over 84 months. If you invest $400 a month from age 25 to age 60, you'll have somewhere around $5 million in your retired account. My advice, knowing that cars lose 60 to 70% of their value in the first 4 years, is to buy a quality used car unless you have a net worth in excess of $1 million. Now, I know some of you may be worried about buying a used car. Well, think about this. What are you driving right now? If you're driving a car that you bought 2 months ago, it's now a used car. If you're driving a car you bought 5 years ago, it's a used car. Vehicle quality today is so high that you can get 300,000 miles out of most cars if you take care of them. So don't buy a new car unless your net worth is over $1 million. What are the steps to take? Online car listings. Step 1. We all know that the person with the most knowledge wins. So, study and learn about the car. Bible said study to yourself approved, and my people perish for they lack knowledge. So, make sure you go on websites like trader.com, edmunds.com, Gurus, Facebook Market, look up details about the car, read articles. Then start your search online on platforms like Kijiji Autos, Auto Trader, or Facebook Marketplace. Look for cars within your budget and preferred specifications, like mileage, year, and condition. Car inspection and test drive after reaching out to the seller, then go to inspect the car in person. Check for visible damage, rust, and wear and tear. Don't skip the test drive to ensure the car runs smoothly. If you're unsure about the car's condition, consider hiring a trusted mechanic for a professional inspection. Vehicle history check. Always get a CARFAX report or similar vehicle history report. This will tell you if the car has been in accidents, has a lien, or has any outstanding recalls. And if you found any bad record, please walk away. Never bring emotion into buying a productions. Negotiating the price. Once you've chosen a car, negotiate the price. Research the market value of similar cars using tools like Canadian Black Book to ensure you're paying a fair price. Remember, the person with the most knowledge wins. Paperwork and legal requirements. Finalize the deal by carefully reviewing all the necessary documents for purchasing the car. Never hand over money to the seller until the proper paperwork is signed to ensure a legal and smooth transaction. In my next video, I'll list all the documents you'll need when buying a used car in Canada, with a special focus on Ontario. Stay tuned. And that's it.
So once you have driven the car and you are okay with the car, the next thing is for you to proceed to the next step. However, if you have driven the car, you've checked the AC, you checked the engine light, you checked the engine itself, you checked the wheel, steering wheel, you checked everything, and you discover there's a clause, please, you are not getting married to the car. If you find something or your mind said you don't like it, please just go. You are not just opposed with one thing. You have a choice. You have the power. What is your power? The $5,000 or $4,000 that you guys negotiate using to buy the car is your power. So you can just walk away. Just walk away. Don't bring emotion in buying things. That is where people fail. Oh, the seller is fine. Oh, it's calm. No. Buy what you want. Buy what you need. Buy what will give you your own peace of mind. So, if you're not okay with it, then you move to another seller. However, if you're okay with it and everything is okay, the next step is documentation. Please never make any mistake by giving money to the seller without you exchanging documentation. Now, the list of those documents needed when buying a used car in Canada will be found in my next video. Then let's go. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get more content like this. God bless you.